Hello guys, welcome to the Space YouTube channel where I actually post videos on how to build mobile and web applications without writing codes. For the past 8 months, I have been teaching here on YouTube for free, and I've been trying to see how I can teach you how to build mobile and web applications without writing codes using instruments like FlutterFlow, Bubble, Dalo, and I have just created my very first paid course because why would you have a skill without having to find ways to make money out of it? And this particular video is for me to show you why and the things that you're going to benefit by actually getting this paid course from me. All right, so let's jump right into it. So the course is about how to build a grocery shopping mobile application that is built without writing codes, and the platform is FlutterFlow. So I'm going to take you through the different parts of the application itself. So this is the UIUX design for the application, right? So full credit goes to the product designer, UIUX designer who worked on this. If you check the description under this video, you will see the link to this Figma design. All right, so I have gone through a thorough process of actually building this mobile application and teaching it as a course, right? So you can actually get to find the course on Udemy. It was previously on Seller, and lots of people had issues trying to purchase it from there. So I have been able to successfully publish it on Udemy, and so with it you will be able to have access to these very cool course. It's about 9.5 hours, these are total hours, although I will be adding some extra parts to the course which will shoot the number of hours to about 11 hours. Yes, because I am trying to see how I can be as detailed as possible in this course, so that at the end of it all you will be able to understand all the nitty-gritties that you need to know to build a mobile application without writing codes in FlutterFlow. This is one of the courses that you should jump right in now and actually purchase it and begin your journey in mobile application development. What is the application all about? So this is where we have the application, right? So I have been able to completely build the application here in FlutterFlow, and then with the application you can actually get to sell groceries, right? So the idea is this: it's an e-commerce shopping application, but in this particular use case it's for groceries. But if at all you are a business owner, right, and then you're not selling groceries, you're selling gadgets, you're selling clothes, any other thing, you can also be able to use this same mobile application for your business. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because apart from just buying the course that shows you how to build this mobile application without writing codes, one of the extra benefits is that I also provide you with the link to actually clone this application and use it for your business. So the idea is this now: it's a two-in-one offer, kind of, right? So you have the part that you get to learn how to replicate what I did on your own if you want to, right? And then you also have access to the ready-made application. All you just need to do is connect it to your database, that's your Firebase, and then begin to use the application for your business. As easy as that. All right, so in the application, right, so users can actually get to see recommended items here. They can also go ahead and just click on the categories section here and then see the different items that are supposed to be available here. So but basically, right, you're supposed to select the different filters that we have here. So in the course you will learn how to implement filters in your application. You will learn how to do lots of really amazing things. Okay, so this is the products that are found in the meat and fishes category, and the user can actually go ahead and just click on it and click to see the full details of the course, and even see the distance away from him, how far the merchant is away from the current user. That's the user that has just been authenticated, right? And you can actually get to go ahead and add the item to cart, and then check your cart, and then go ahead and then maybe proceed to checkout. Let's just quickly do some of these just so that you can see how it works full time. So I have gone there. Let me look for fruits. Yeah, so if you buy some meat, you should buy some fruits too. So I'm going to check out this. Okay, so I didn't add a product for fruits, that's why we didn't see it there. So I can just come back here and add these other types of protein, which is fishes. So I'll click on this and then click on add to cart. Click on add to cart, item is added to the cart, and then now I have 2 items in my cart, which I can go ahead and then proceed to checkout, or even just clear the entire shopping cart. Okay, so here I want to actually just go ahead and proceed to checkout, and then this is like my address already. So you can actually go ahead and add a new address. Like you can add a new address here if you want to, but if you don't want to, you can already use the existing address, and then we will go ahead and proceed to make payment. So I'm going to go ahead and then click to proceed to make payment. Let me look for test cards to use. So we are using Stripe as the payment gateway. So I'm going to just try to get a test card from Stripe, and then let me just reload this so that you can actually get to see that everything is working properly. So here we need to pay for the grocery item, which is these. I just pasted the test card details. So I'll say these 34, maybe 567. This is test card. So I'll just go ahead and proceed to make payment. And after that, congratulations, my order is successful. I can go ahead and go to home. All right. So that's it. So now I have my application, my cart has been emptied now, and I have been able to make some purchases. I can click on more. I can click on more and then click here to see all my orders, right? So these are all the orders that I have made, the the order ID and everything, right? So I can just go ahead and click on these and actually go ahead and track my order. So I can just click on these and then track my order simply. Okay, so I have been able to build these just to make sure that you get some form of very precise and well detailed knowledge on how to build a mobile application without writing codes. Now other features of the application is you can actually click to search. We can search the item. All right, so if at all we have lots of items, you can actually get to search, then select the item, and then of course add to cart, right? So this is one of the features that you're going to get to learn how to do in your application, and lots of other things that you're going to learn here. You get to learn how to create a cart functionality. Now I'm just going to go ahead and clear the cart, right? And then you get to learn how to implement your Stripe as your payment gateway. And just to say it again, right? When you buy the course, all right, you get access to the clonable link where you can also get access to this exact application you can use in your business. Now, the payment that has just been made is this one. Let me just refresh my test payments here so that you can just see that the payment was successfully registered here. So this is the payment. This is today, right? This is the payment that has just been done, successful, right? So you get to learn how to do all of these. You get to learn how to, you change your plan from Spark plan to Blaze plan so that you can also have cloud functions running in your application, right? You get to learn a whole lot of things just from this one course. This is my very first course, and I have taken a lot of time to work on this, and I want you to go ahead and then check this description under this video, click on the link, and it will take you to the course on Udemy, and you can go ahead and purchase it. All right, so you will see the price there. And sometimes Udemy can actually go ahead and then offer the course at a way discounted price, but I want you to go ahead and just click on the link in the description and check out the course. You need to go ahead and jump on this offer right now. Okay, so you will see 2 links. One is the link to the course on Seller, and another one to the course on Udemy. Anyone that you want to use to purchase the course is fine. Okay, all right, so that's about it, and I want you to understand that this is one of the best courses that you will take that will help you to understand how to build mobile and web applications without writing codes. This is how to get it started. Who else would you rather learn from? Would you rather learn from someone else or from a FlutterFlow ambassador? I want you to go ahead and think about this and jump right into it. Okay, see you in the other side. As soon as you make purchase of the course, I will go ahead and then add you to the WhatsApp group where you can actually get to communicate and maybe bring up some suggestions for me to maybe put in the course, which is totally fine by me. All right, thank you very much, and see you on the other side. Bye for now.